prosecutor's opening statement. Jim, so far, the prosecutors are going to have to get over the years that it took them to make this arrest, as I see it. Who did it, to Bernarda's point, whether or not they eliminated all suspects. And we've seen these investigations, Bernarda. I'm sure me and you have been involved in them, where we're like, you need to eliminate the rest of the people, or we're going to be dealing with a bag of garbage when we go in there. And sometimes law enforcement pushes back on that. They're like, we got the person. We don't need to eliminate anybody. And then you have a police officer saying there's no signs of foul play, Jim. So far, the defense seems to be doing a good job, like you said before. What do you anticipate, based on your knowledge of this case, the prosecutor is going to be able to come back with that's going to give the jury that sense of confidence that this case is proven? And let's keep in mind, it has to be proven by the prosecution beyond a reasonable doubt, and the defendant is presumed innocent from the beginning of the trial all the way up to and including through deliberations until the jury says otherwise.
Well, first, we've got a piece of blockbuster evidence. That's why I was unsure about the jailhouse informant. What's that blockbuster evidence? He admitted he killed her. He admitted in an interview with Sergeant Arenstein that he killed her and that he had access to a pond, a toxic pond, where if he would have put a body in there, a body would never have been found. He later recanted that confession in a written statement, which basically contained a number of different explanations of the previous lies he told. So what you have here, again, with the means, motive, and the opportunity. He certainly had the means because he had this toxic sludge pond that he could dump the body in. We also found out this morning that he controlled her medications. He didn't even allow her to take her medications herself. It was a very abusive, controlling relationship. And to the extent that he controlled her medications, he was controlling what was going in her body and would have had the means to have slowly killed her and made it so that she wasn't able to put up a struggle. And then we have the opportunity. Again, he's the one in the house. He's the one supposedly in the bed with her. The son doesn't see her. And he certainly had the opportunity as he's supposedly going searching for her. Remember, the son sees him at 4 a.m., the stepson, coming back to the house with his truck. Where was he in that intervening period of time? Why wasn't he really searching for her? Why wasn't he going to the places he said he was going? Because there's no video evidence. So again, we've got a lot of circumstantial evidence. We haven't talked about the girlfriend yet. But there are some things the prosecution can come back with here for sure.
Yeah, but Bernarda, I great, arguments for sure, Jim. But Bernarda,